Integrating measuring functions into NC programming has never been easier. The software module NXRSP by JANUS Engineering. Even more intuitive, more graphic, and faster. Simply set measuring points directly in the 3D model and group them onto planes or other geometries. Especially with blanks with large deviations, as well as irregularities such as with cast or 3D printed parts, the software drastically simplifies your work. The position and orientation of the workpiece is reliably captured with a large number of measuring points. The convenient 3D view of the measurement processes shows how precisely the kinematics of the machine operate, and whether the measuring points can be accessed without collision. Maximum control. Maximum safety. Simulate the machining process in advance and then measure for new resulting surfaces. In this case, we use a measuring function during processing to check whether the clamping is unchanged and to perform a fine adjustment of the workpiece 0 point before the last machining operation. We measure areas with tight tolerances. Measurements we obtain this way can be used to define conditions, jump commands and operation loops in a dialogue-controlled process. If a diameter is too small, for instance, the workpiece is reprocessed. The desired locations for quality measurements after processing are also defined directly on the workpiece. We generate the machine code and can then start the process. The clamping tolerance can be relatively large because we capture the position and orientation of the workpiece with a large number of measuring points. The processing can be planned and executed as in the simulation. The 0 point is redefined, the milling process continues. Tolerance geometries are briefly measured and reworked automatically if needed. The quality measurements are logged, and a clear graphic measurement report is generated. This is ideal for quality assurance and traceability. The software module NXRSP by JANUS Engineering